Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH, your ultimate YouTube channel where we solve problems on maths. And if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome and go through the channel. There are lots and lots of exciting videos out there for you to learn and improve your skills on maths. So today I'm going to be looking at a problem with you on mensuration. Actually, it's a simple one, so you can pause the video and attempt the question and come back to this video. So let's try to understand what the question says. It says a cylindrical tank has a capacity of what? 6,160 meter what cube. So what does that tell us? That already gives us an information. Let's represent the tank like this, okay? Let's say this is the tank. Okay, this is a cylindrical shape. All right, so now it also says what is the depth of the tank, okay? We're talking about depth here. If the radius, okay, the radius of its base, yeah, that's a good information. When you are given a problem on mass, you have to scan through the problem so that you should be able to understand. So the radius of its base, this is the base, is 28 meter. So this is what 28 meter. Now the depth has to do with what the height, okay? So the height is the depth. All right, but we are given this, the capacity. Okay, the capacity is also actually what? The volume, which is 6,160 meter what? Cube. So what it means is if you are putting any fluid like liquid or even gas or whatsoever, okay, the volume that this tank has is 6,160 meter what? Cube. So that's the quantity of liquid or fluid or water that can, that this tank can what contain. So based on that, we can now solve the problem. Now, volume of a cylindrical tank is this, the area of this pi r square, okay, is the area of, okay, the base, what, circle, okay, times what? The height. Remember, the height is also the depth, okay? So having gotten this understanding, we can now solve the question with ease. All right, so all we need to do is we need to substitute into the question. All right, so to substitute, remember our volume is what? 6,160 meter what cube, which is equal to, now your pi is always 22 over what? 7, okay, times what? Our radius we have, this is our radius r, okay, it's given as 28 what meter, but it says square, so we are going to put square times what? H, which is our depth. We are looking for what? H, which is our depth. Now, having written all this, we can now simplify the problem to be able to find what? The depth of the water tank. Okay, let's do some simplification and see what that is going to give us. So from all these, okay, I can decide to put over 1 here, over 1 here, and over 1 here. We can now see that we have to remove this 7. How do we remove it? We are going to multiply this side by 7 and multiply this side by 7. So let's do that. I'm going to multiply this by 7 and I'm also going to multiply this by 7. So this will cancel out this, okay? The 7 is gone here. So we have 7 times this. So 7 times 6,160 meter cube is equals to what? I have what? 22 times 28 meter square means what? We have 28 meter times what? 28 what meter times we have the what? The height. All right, so from that expression, it's now simpler for us to solve. Okay, I'm going to remove all this 1, 2, 3 by multiplying both sides by all that. Okay, so I'm also going to do the same here. So that this can cancel out, this is 1, 1. This can cancel out, this is 1, 1. And this can cancel out, this 1, 1. So you can see that we are left with what? H. So we are left with H at the right hand side. So I'll bring it first. H is equals, so I have 7 times 6, 160 meter what? Cube, divided by what? 22 times 28 meter times what? 28 meter. Now all we need to do at this point is we have to decompose this. Okay? What do I mean by decompose it? We have to reduce it to lowest term. Alright, so I'm seeing that 7 can go into this is 1, 7 into this is 4 times, right? Now what about this? Okay, 2 can go into 28. We have it as what? Okay, we have it as 14. Okay, so we have 14. What about this? Of course, 2 can as well go into this. If 2 goes into that, we have what? 3 there. 3 times. 2 into this is 0 times. Remember 1. We have is what? 16. And 2 into 16 is 8 times. And 2 into 0 is 0. Okay, so we have that. Our H is equals to what? We have 1 times this. So we have 3080 meter cube. Okay, divide by what? We have 22 times what? 4 times what? 14. So we are going to further decompose and let's see what we are going to get. Alright, so what can divide this all this again? I'm saying that what? I'm still saying that 2 can go into this, which is what? 7. Now 2 into this is 1, okay, 5, okay, which is 15 because 2 into 30 is 15. 2 into 8 here is 4. 2 into 0 is 0. Okay. So we now have this as what? 1540. Okay, meter cube. It's divided by what? 22 times 4 times what? 7 meter. So yes, at this point, what can go? Yeah, I think 7 can still go. 7 into this is 1. 7 into 15 is 2 times, which is 14. Okay, so carry 1. So 7 into 14 is still 2 times, and 7 into 0 is 0. So we have this. Okay. Now finally, let's see what we have. I have 220 meter cube divided by 22 times what? 4. Remember our 7 is gone. So what do we do at this point? Now meter times meter is meter what? Square. Now 22 can go into this. 22 into this is 1. 22 into this is how many times? We have is 1 time, and to 0 is 0. So we have this as 10 meter what? Cube divided by what? We have 4 meter what? Square. Now from that, we can now easily arrive at our answer to this question. So let's see what we have. So 2 can go here is 2. 2 to this is 5. So our height or the depth is equal to what? We have 5 over what? 2. Okay, now for this, I can say using indices, meter, okay. So since we are divided, we'll say 3 minus 2. Alright? So that will give us 5 over 2, okay, meter. That gives us the height. So this is the solution, but most times in your exam, since this is what? Improper fraction, you may be asked to keep it in what? Mixed fraction, which is 2 and half. 2 into this is 2, remainder 1, so 1 over 2, or we have 2.5 meter. So this gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and send the link of this YouTube channel to somebody that needs your help, that needs to improve visual math skills. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.